just a quick update for you. Not everything always works well. There you go. This is Calabrese. With the weather we've had, Calabrese, green sprout and broccoli. Get a big head of it? Yeah, that's the stuff. Straight to seed, straight to seed. What do you do with it? Well, I could chop the top off and just let the leaves grow and eat them. Or, you know, I'm always going on to you about getting something else ready to plant. Pull out the bits and pieces, take out the label, bit more fresh composted soil on top, Brussels sprouts ready to go in. You see how I've got two grown together? Take out the little one, no root on it anyway. Dig your hole, pop it in. Now remember, with these, I can get two in one of these. So we'll have that one and we'll have this little one. Now these, I just planted the seeds up a while back. And the idea is, if you've got seedlings on the go, you can always do exactly what I'm doing here now. So this is your life lesson as to why we grow extra plants. We grow them to cover up our mistakes before anybody else notices. There you go. Little bit of fish blood and bone on the top. Helps promote healthy leaf growth. Water it all in. Needs plenty of water, especially in this weather. Now, because the cabbage whites are around for a little while, we'll put one lid on. We'll take it over here, put it in the sun for a while. There you go. Safe from pigeons, safe from cabbage white, and with the plastic rough edges, very safe from slugs as well. They'll stay on there about 4 or 5 weeks. By then the plants will be like that. Take the top off, Brussels sprouts. Or as we like to call it, Toxicana stinky pants.